Hi everyone, I am back with a very quick spot prize giveaway. Now, if for those of you that have took part, I did one a couple of weeks ago, and I was talking about how I've been reading these books that have lists and things, and remembering things from your past and writing bits about yourself in journals, etc. And the one we did a couple of weeks ago was your top, not your top, but to name 5 solo artists, and you had to have a guess. Well, this time we're going to do something very similar. So this is a spot prize game for you to all play and get involved in. Now, this is a index card that I made. It's one of those iCads, so an index card a day where you alter an index card. And on the back there is a question: what did you want to be when you grew up? Now I'm going to write down my answer, what I wanted to be when I grew up. And so you get, this is how it works, you get 1 guess a day. Now every morning I will check it, and the first person to guess the right answer will win these goodies. If no one gets it on that day, you get to have another guess the next day. So are you with me? So I'll put this up. It's Saturday. You get to have a guess. The first person, if you get it right, will win these goodies. If nobody gets it on that day, it'll roll over to the next day. And every day that it rolls over, I will also add another little extra something to it. So the question is, what did you want to be when you grew up? Okay, let's see who gets it right. You will win this index card. These cute little tags that I made. Look at the pussycat. I'm sorry. I know I say that a lot, but isn't she cute? He, she. And look at the bear one. And these are little tags made with an AliExpress die and stamp set. They are just adorable. I'm going to be making lots and lots of those. I'll leave that one till the last. Now there's a little envelope, which is a book page envelope that I've made. A little fabric pocket tuck spot that I've made as well. One of those little bags. And this is, oh, do you know what? I always stick those down and never make sure that, oh, might have to give you another one if this one is too stuck down. It's okay. We've done it. We've done it. Right, you've got a little bag there which you can decorate, and a little flip book to go in, your journals or whatever. So there's all those little handmade goodies there. And this, right, okay, I was in Claire's Accessories the other day, and these were, I don't know, I think they were £1. And I just thought if I took them apart, they would make these gorgeous, you could take that chain off, but look, make a gorgeous flower for your projects. I don't know if you can see just how pretty they are. So I did buy about 4 of them. So I'm going to throw one of them in, and there are 2, 4, 5 of these flowers, look, you can put on your projects. And I just think they would be beautiful. So I'm going to add that in as well. And like I said, if it doesn't get one today, I will add another little extra something. If it doesn't get tomorrow, I'll keep adding until we have a winner. Question is, what did you want to be when you grew up? Now, to take part, you need to be a subscriber, and you need to comment in the box below what you think the answer is. Okay? And then tomorrow, I will do a video either saying that someone's won or saying that they haven't, and I'll show the extra goodies. Okay? That's all there is to it. So, good luck, everyone, and I shall see you all tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.